my gosh. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hey guys, welcome to the first ever holiday cheer series video. Right now I want to go ahead and do some DIY projects. I have some decor items that I showed you guys in the first clip, as you all saw. So I am going to be making some DIY Christmas centerpieces. So there's been a lot of requests actually to do like a lot of DIY projects on my channel. To be honest, I am not the biggest DIY person. I'm like one of those people that just rather just buy the item. But centerpieces is something that's doable for me, and I actually kind of like doing it myself. It's cheaper and you can kind of just make the decor item how you want to make them. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and I'm gonna show you how to make a Christmas countdown board. So very excited about that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right guys, so I'm gonna wing this, to be honest. So this is what I have. If you haven't seen my Vlogmas video, definitely check that out. I showed all of the items that I got for just other decor items and everything, but these were in my Vlogmas as well. So I got these pine cones, these, and I'm gonna make actually like a flower like arrangement. So I have a huge vase for that, which that is gonna go into. But we're gonna start with the smaller vases first. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do something really simple. I have these little snowflakes. So I've been seeing this a lot on Pinterest with the just like different glass vases, but just literally just dumping some snowflakes in them and putting a candle, which I got this candle from Dollar Tree. But sometimes the basic decor goes a long way. So this glass vase, I had in my house, but they actually sell them at the Dollar Tree for $1 because all the items are for $1. So pretty inexpensive to make these around the house. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that in the vase, and that is really cute. Look how cute that is. I like how sparkly that is. I literally have so much, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have so much glitter on me. Oh, I really love that. Oh wait, look at that. Look how pretty that is. I love how simple that is and so pretty. And I'll actually probably light the candle. Hopefully, I don't know if that's a fire hazard or not. I'll try it out and see. I'm kind of scared. Actually, I may not light the candle. Don't do that. But I really like how simple that is. And honestly, that'll go really nice because I think I have a lot going on with my decor this year. I also have these pine cones. So I may just put these. I want to try these in a small vase and see how they look, because they're gonna go in the bigger vase too. I'm just gonna place that in here, and look how cute that is. It's really simple. It's really simple, but it's just really cute, and it looks very nice with like the ensemble. Look, let me show you guys. Look how cute that is. Very simple, you know, but very cute and inexpensive. I love it. So now that we have our two little small vases, which are actually really cute and I love them, we're gonna move to the big boy, which is the centerpiece. So this vase I got, I think from Marshall's. It was actually an impulse buy for me. I just bought it because I thought it was cute, and I think it was on sale. I think I got it for like $3, which is really good for this size vase. Like look how big this thing is. I thought this would be really cute for just for Christmas decor, and to do like a kind of like Christmas decor flower arrangement, which I'll insert my inspo that I found on Pinterest right here. Oh my God, y'all. Like this is it. So I definitely wanted to recreate this look for this DIY video. First I'm gonna add a little snow to the base. Do that just to kind of give it, you know, some dimension. Y'all, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of winging this. I'm gonna add some pine cones. So, oh, these fit perfectly. I was kind of scared. These are kind of big. I got these from Michael's. Oh, they're different sizes. Okay, well, Some of these are big. Look how pretty, oh my gosh. I love like the frosted kind of branch, and this one has some glitter. This one is just all gold, which I'm going for kind of like a gold frosted and blue kind of look this year. So it kind of, you know, just goes with my whole like decor scheme in my house. Okay, so I am going to start placing them into the vase, and I'm going to keep the tags on them just in case, because you know your girl may take some back if they don't work. Oh my gosh, so cute. I think I'm gonna take one of these out because it's just a little extra, if I'm being honest. One of the gold pieces. I don't know. Maybe I should do some more DIY. Ah, this is so cute. Let me show you guys closer up. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I don't think the camera is honestly, the camera is definitely not doing this justice. Like, this is so pretty. I need to kind of fluff it out a little bit, so I'll show you guys the finished product, but just look. And I'll show you guys how I, you know, do the decor as well too, but I love this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this, because y'all, I am not a DIYer at all. And then I'll have my two little snowflakes. Y'all, I have glitter everywhere. But my little mini candles and my little mini pine cone. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So cute. All right guys, so it honestly looked like I just poured a bowl of glitter on myself. Yeah, it was so much glitter on the centerpiece that I just made. The second DIY project that I'm gonna do for my decor is a countdown board for Christmas. So this was my inspo right here. And honestly, I couldn't do exactly what I wanted to do, only because the things that I was finding in Hobby Lobby and Michael's just wasn't like aligning with this inspo right here. The easiest way to do this DIY project, I figured I'd probably just create my own version of this. So I got a chalkboard from Hobby Lobby, which is really cute, and it's like a picture-esque chalkboard. So it has a stand behind it, so I can just sit it down on the countertop or whatever. And this can be used for anything, honestly, guys. So if you buy something like this, you can use this for anything, whether you're like hosting a party or just any other decor that you want to do in your house. You can put like your Wi-Fi password. I've seen people do that. So this is really cute, and it's reusable for anything. So I am going to attempt to do like a cute little Christmas countdown of this. So my handwriting is not the best, but let's see how it turns out. Actually turned out really cute. So obviously my handwriting is not the best, but it is decent. But if you have really good handwriting, this would be really nice to just display. So I love this. It's really simple. Like I said, all I got was some chalk markers and I don't know, that's not focusing. Anyway, some chalk markers. So I got these 2 different colors. And then just this board from Hobby Lobby. Super simple. All right guys, that is it for this video. Like I said, I wanted to do some more DIY, and what better way to do some DIY projects than the holidays. I hope you guys found some inspiration, especially with the centerpieces. I really enjoyed doing those, and I kind of did those on a limb, just being honest. As always, be sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, and hit that bell notification as well. Also, be sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video for part 2 of the Holiday Cheer series. Bye guys.